Hello, my name is Kevin Din, and I will be showing you how I completed week's 11 final coding project. Firstly, I want to start off in dbeaver to show all of the projects I've created. The first one was the given example in the solutions. The second one, I created it for the second submission for week 10. And then I created a third project that we will be modifying and deleting from our database. Let's go over to Eclipse. In Eclipse, I created a few extra modifications in our selections. And our operations, I added a update project details and a delete a project option. I created the case points, and I also created the methods for these case points as well, where we will delete the project and update the project details using user inputs. In the project service, I created those two methods that will connect the project's app main class to the project DAO class. And in addition, I just reformatted the list. When we list our projects, I made sure to list them in project ID order. And in the project DAO class, I created the methods that will modify the project details using the SQL statements, and then also deleting the project with its statement as well. So if I were to just run this, and it's just to make this bigger, I'll go ahead and we'll try to update the project details without selecting, and it says that you are not working with a project. So we will go ahead and select the project. We'll just select 3. It lists all of the information here. We have name, build a test, estimated hours 1, actual hours 2, difficulty 1, and then some extra notes. I'm just going to be changing a few things from it. So we'll just select 4 to update. Instead of a test, we'll just say build a quiz. We'll add the estimated hours to 2. The actual hours, we'll swap it, put it to 1, and the difficulty, we'll just put it to 3. And then instead of this notes, we'll just say create a quiz to give to students. Great. It looks like everything was changed. We can see now the name is build a quiz, estimated hour 2, actual hours 1, and difficulty 3, with the notes now give quiz to students. I'll go ahead to dbeaver, just refresh this, and we can see that everything got updated in the database as well. And then finally, I'm going to showcase that we can delete. I'll go ahead and escape and then restart the program just to show. And then we'll just go to delete a project, connect to our database, list all of the projects, and we'll go ahead and delete build a quiz. Once deleted, I'll go ahead and list the projects, and we can see that building a quiz is no longer there. And if we go ahead and check dbeaver, refresh this, it is now completely gone. We can check in our materials. On delete cascade worked. All of the materials, the steps for project 3 no longer exists. And that is how I completed week's 11 final coding project. Thank you for listening.